Hi, welcome to my channel. So there's some more issues with the condo owners trying to rent out their apartments, and let me give you a little update here. Okay, so what I have here, we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and guess what? The price seems to be a little too good to be true. They're asking $2,150 for this 2-bedroom and 2-bath. However, let me quickly show you what's the problem here. So in this first picture here, everything looks fine. Okay, this is the living room. This is, in fact, here, this is the bedroom over here. All good. Let's get a different, okay, it's just a different picture from a different angle. Everything is good. And let's look at this crucial detail here. Let's go down and look over here. So if I take you back here, this is the first bedroom that they have here advertised, and all good. This is definitely the bedroom. I see there's a window right there. However, this is the problem. Okay, let me show you. So look over here. He's trying to pass on this room as a bedroom. However, this is just simply not a bedroom. This is a den. And if you notice over here, he has a doorway. There's no window here. There's no window of back, because I've seen this unit before and I know what they're talking about. But as you can see, this would be classified moreover as an office space, like an office whatnot. Definitely not a bedroom, because legally it's not a bedroom. And if you look down in the ad, the agent put 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but it's not. And the price simply is a little bit too good to be true, because for these 2-bedroom, 2-baths, the proper ones, you would be paying about closer to 3,000 Canadian, maybe just under around there. So that's pretty much that. Get a decent agent that they can go around. They can go with you, they can guide you properly, because there are people out there that are willing to take advantage of you in this market right now. Take care and